This is Flash Pro Ultra, the newest innovation from Charge ASAP's Flash Powerbank lineup, trusted by tech lovers and travelers alike. An absolute beast of a power bank that guarantees your devices stay charged, no matter where life takes you. We've all been there, devices running out of battery at the worst moments. That's when we realized the perfect power bank with all the features we needed simply didn't exist. So we built the ultimate portable power bank. With a massive 25,000 mAh, Flash Pro Ultra can power up your MacBook Air 1.5 times or your iPhone 16 Pro Max 4 times. But it's not just big on capacity, it's also big on power. With a 140-watt USB-C port and a 100-watt port, you and a friend can charge your MacBook Pros rapidly at the same time. We've engineered a world's first, a MagSafe compatible Qi 2 wireless charging pad with a unique pop-up design that works with any device. We've got 2 unique models designed for you. Choose from either a wireless charging pad for your Apple Watch or Samsung Watch. Plus, with a third USB-C port and a USB-A port, it delivers a total power output of 275 watts, making it the most powerful power bank in the world. So you can charge up to 6 devices at the same time. That's 2 MacBooks, 2 phones, AirPods, and your smartwatch. Say goodbye to heavy backpacks with multiple chargers and messy cables. Working on the go? Our 140-watt USB-C port can charge your MacBook Pro to 50% in only 30 minutes. Convenient for those busy days. Flash Pro Ultra powers up to 80% in 35 minutes and fully charges in just 70 minutes with our Zeus 280-watt GAN charger, making it the world's fastest charging power bank. Pass-through charging transforms your power bank into a hub, letting you charge Flash Pro Ultra and 5 devices at the same time. With a color OLED screen and dual displays, you'll always know how fast your devices are charging and how much battery you have left. Flash Pro Ultra has over a dozen safety features and international certifications, so it's approved for airline travel, perfect for frequent flyers. To all our amazing Kickstarter backers, thank you! You've been with us from the start, helping us grow our family startup Charge ASAP from the ground up. This is our 13th campaign, and we couldn't have done it without you. Flash Pro Ultra isn't just a power bank. It's your ultimate portable charging solution. Are you ready to upgrade your charging game?